Hello, my friend. What's your name?
Ali.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you so much. Welcome to Istanbul.
Thank you. Beautiful.
This is a mini episode 1 of my Istanbul travel series. Today was the first day here. We kept it pretty chill. We took some nice walks around the city, just getting a feel for the place and enjoying the atmosphere. Nothing too crazy yet, but don't worry. Tomorrow we will be diving into some more serious exploring. Stay tuned, and for now, let's enjoy this easy introduction to beautiful Istanbul. Let's go.
Buongiorno from Istanbul. Right. So guys, today we came to Istanbul. Crazy city, so good. Now we are looking for a coffee and there is so much to explore. We will be here about 3 days, so I will try to show you as much as possible. But we need a coffee first, so let's go. Guys, first vlog outside Bulgaria. So we decided to visit Istanbul, one of the busiest cities in the world. There is a lot to see. Unfortunately, as usual, we are extremely late on our schedule that we initially planned. This was due to the bus traveling from Bulgaria to Istanbul. Being super late, couple of hours, but anyway, it's not bad. We have a couple of days here to explore the city. It's not my first time, so I will try to do my best to show you as much as possible. And yeah, now we are enjoying a nice chai tea latte in one of the most touristic areas of the city, which is not probably the best thing to do if you come here, because it's really beautiful, but yeah, of course, everything is more pricey and there are other better areas in the city, but yeah, it's a good starting point. You have basically minutes away from the Blue Mosque, Hagia Sophia and other interesting places. Anyway, I finish my coffee and we start exploring. Let's go. So guys, we just left the cafe and we were literally steps away from the famous Blue Mosque. Now I will get closer to it. Beautiful place, lot of people, it's insane. Take some nice shots. There should be Hagia Sophia, I believe. So tomorrow morning we will see what we can explore. I did some research online and apparently in the last year, or couple of years, prices went up a lot. So basically to enter each of these places, It cost about 40 to 50 euro, which is quite a lot of money, as there are several things to check. This will be few hundred euro just to enter all of them. I know there are some passes that they give you access to. Let's say they give you some discounts, but they are worth mainly if you stay here for a longer time. And because we have only a couple of days, 3/4 days, yeah, it's not probably worth it. But let's see. The view here, it's insane anyway. Don't know if you can see it with the sun. It's really nice. Now we continue our walk. So now here we should turn left, and then we should be able to see the actual Blue Mosque. This is at the back of the Blue Mosque, but as it was pretty late, we will explore this tomorrow and you will see it in the next video. Very beautiful place. After quickly exploring the Blue Mosque from outside, we continued our walk and we spotted a nice terrace of a restaurant right in front of the mosque, and we decided to check it out on Google Maps. The reviews were great, so we decided to give it a try. And yeah, pretty cool place. I will show you how it looks like and the food we ordered right now. And yeah, very cool. One very strange thing was in order to get to the restaurant we had to walk through a couple of shops and inside the shops as well, but yeah, very unique. So we are in a restaurant in front of Hagia Sophia Mosque and the Blue Mosque, as I can show you here. We found this restaurant and we are starting with a starter. So this is a mix of aubergine, yogurt and tomato sauce, and a complimentary veggie sauce with mayo, or I don't know exactly what it is, some bread, and yeah, that's delicious. Then we order a kebab we are waiting for. I will let you know, guys, how it is. But this is unbelievable, delicious. Nice kebab, let's go. Wow. Just received my kebab, guys. Unbelievable. I mean, I bet you can't go wrong with Turkish food, whatever you order. I don't believe there is anything I wouldn't like.
At this point, once the dinner was over, a staff member of the restaurant came to us and asked if we would have liked to check the up floor, which has a bigger open terrace with even better view. And yeah, we decided to check it out and have one more drink with this amazing view.
Thank you. Bye. No problem. Bye. End of the first day, guys. Really beautiful. Tomorrow we will have a full day to explore. Nice. We had a nice dinner, now a nice walk. Perfect temperature. It's not too hot, it's not cold. And yeah, beautiful place. Here there is the ice cream. See if they do any tricks. No tricks.
Seven Hills Terrace Restaurant.
Yeah. I don't know if it's here though. The way back. Let's see. Hello, my friend. What's your name?
Ali,
Nice to meet you.
thank you so much. Welcome to Istanbul.
Thank you. Beautiful.
Thank you for watching, guys, and stay tuned for day 2 of my Istanbul mini travel series.